Hey YouTube, it's day 10 of our deep water culture basil experiment, and we just wanted to give an update of where we're at. We're starting to get our third set of leaves coming in. The plants are nice and green and beautiful, and they're really loving the light coming from our Mars Hydro 480 watt LED. We're going to cover the nutrients that we're using next, and in the next video we'll cover how to measure the pH, calibrate your pH probe, and the proper pH levels for the basil and the hydroponic setup. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and we'll answer it as soon as we can. And until next week, have a good one. We talked before about how we would cover what nutrients we are using, so you have a good base and don't have to go through the trial and errors of using something that doesn't work or something that's expensive. Because if you walk into any hydroponic store, you're going to see shelf upon shelf dedicated to nutrients. We're growing vegetables, so that kind of changes things up a little bit too, because a lot of what you'll see in the hydroponic stores are for blooming plants, and we don't need that. So a great product that we've used for a while now is Botanicare. In front of you, you have the Kind, the CalMag, and the Grow. Now, the reason we have the CalMag in there also is we use reverse osmosis water. So what you'll find if you use that, which we suggest using, is there's no calcium or magnesium in it. There's nothing in the water. It's all filtered out. You'll find that you'll get a calcium and magnesium deficiency real quick using reverse osmosis water. So this CalMag is a great product. Also, we use a LED light, which has been known to create a calcium and magnesium deficiency also, because it pulls so much out of the plant. So this product has been keeping our plants nice and healthy. On the back of each container are the instructions of how many milliliters per gallon to put into your system. If you follow this and you change your water out once a week, you'll do fine. These jugs here cost about $60 to $70 total, and this will last us for months with the little 5-gallon systems that we use. If you have any other questions, post below. We'll answer them as quickly as we can, and we'll continue to talk about our nutrients in further updates.